Barney goes to the fair. The fair is in town, and Barney and his friends can't wait to go. "Welcome to the fair," says the ticket taker. "What should we do first, Barney?" asked Baby Bop. "I can't decide."
"What about the Funhouse?"
suggests Barney. Barney and his friends look in the Funhouse mirrors. "I look really big," giggles Baby Bop. "And I look really small," laughs BJ.
"And I look really silly,"
chuckles Barney. The next stop is the bubble bounce. Barney watches as BJ and Baby Bop take turns jumping high in the air. "Ay, ay, ay, I can fly," yells BJ. BJ cheers his sister on at one of the carnival booths. "You can do it, sissy," cheers BJ. "I love this game," squeals Baby Bop. After they finish their ring toss game, the three friends go for a ride. "Whee! I love the merry-go-round," says Baby Bop. "Check this out, Barney," shouts BJ. "I'm riding a horse just like a cowboy." "I'm starving," exclaims BJ. "All this fun has really made me hungry." "Me too," agrees Baby Bop. Barney buys some snacks for his friends. "Yummy," giggles Baby Bop. "Pink lemonade is my favorite." "Thanks for the popcorn," says BJ.
"You're welcome,"
replies Barney. "Barney, look! That bicycle has one wheel," says Baby Bop.
"That's right. The clown is riding a special bicycle called a unicycle,"
explains Barney. "Cool," says BJ. "Maybe I'll ride a unicycle someday." "Can we ride the Ferris wheel now, Barney?" asks BJ. "Yes, can we, Barney? Oh, please, echoes Baby Bop.
"Sure,"
replies Barney.
"That sounds like a great thing to do now."
"Wow, look how high we are," says BJ.
"This is super duper,"
laughs Barney.
"I can see the whole fair from up here."
Baby Bop and BJ want to do one more thing before they leave the fair. "I'd like a beautiful flower painted on my cheek," says Baby Bop. "Not me," insists BJ. "I want a sailboat painted on my arm." "Thank you for taking BJ and me to the fair," says Baby Bop.
"You're welcome,"
says Barney.
"I had a great time with you two at the fair."
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Barney stories, check out my Barney playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And also hit that notification bell to be notified of new videos as soon as they come out. Thank you so much for joining me today.